Here's a woodpecker. This one's a pretty good sized one. Oh, he's backing down now. He's going to this suet more than likely. Yep, there he is on the suet. Ah. I just put 2 fresh suets out yesterday. They love their suet. One's called a woodpecker suet, the other's called a peanut suet. They're very nutritious, I guess. Oh, by the way, this is the, what day is this? The 19th day of June. It's a holiday. June, what do they call it? June, whoop, here, I'm trying to follow the woodpecker. There he is. This is Wednesday, yeah. So anyway, just thought I'd show you a woodpecker.